Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to remove phone number in Zoom. Let's say you've opened up in Zoom, you signed in, registered, and you put in a particular phone number, but now you don't want to use it anymore. You want to not just change it, you want to totally remove that phone number. So how do you do it? Very simple. Let's get right to it. First thing, this is the home page, so you look to your left, over here, look to the side, and then you see the home, profile, meetings, webinars, and the rest of them. So you click on profile to open up this profile page where you can see your name and everything. So this is my official phone number, not really, but you want to get rid of it, so you simply click on delete. Now you can remove it by clicking on delete to totally delete it, or by clicking on edit to change it into another number. Those are the two ways to remove the phone number on Zoom. Now if you don't want any phone number to appear at all, just simply delete it like this, confirm, and it will be changed to not set. That way there's no phone number associated with the Zoom account. It is as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Do not forget to subscribe, please. Very necessary. Alright, so see you in the next video. Have a pleasant day or night, depending on where you are.